We believe that we have the best employees. Again, the skilled trades, the talent in the engineering department that we have, the machinists, supervision, managers across the board. Our employees are by far our advantage over our competitors.
It's a family atmosphere. It's a family-owned business. Everyone on the floor is pretty much first name basis. I walk by, it's hard to make it from one end of the building to the other end of the building without stopping and having a conversation with someone.
The owners are active every day, and so very much in touch with what's going on throughout the business. But a lot of things it isn't just business every day. A lot of things are done from the standpoint of activities and gatherings, town hall meetings.
We really do look out for each other, and try to help with other employees if they need it, or other employees do help me when I need help. They don't hesitate, and a lot of the employees here come here with a really good attitude.
The way that everybody gets along and the team atmosphere is amazing.
The employee that we're looking for here that's more of a skilled or craftsman grade that can handle reading blueprints and putting together these large projects.
Absolutely love it. It's a lot of variety, so it's never a dull moment. You're always learning new stuff.
We have a huge commitment to quality and checks and balances throughout our entire process. Everything is checked, every place is cut and burned and bent, drilled. So there's a lot of procedures we follow for our quality.
We have the right equipment for the jobs. The building has its own heating and cooling, so during the summers it's never too hot, never humid, it's air conditioned, and during the winters it's nice and warm.
I think the other people that I work with really like the benefit package that we all get. It's wonderful family health insurance, vision insurance, dental insurance, 401k, profit sharing, and short-term disability.
The benefits like health insurance, they're great. They're the cheapest that I've seen, and they cover so much. And Weldall will help you with like large procedures.
In regards to the benefit structure, hands down, it's going to be one of the best they're going to find in the industry. Same benefits that ownership has here as well.
Weldall is a contract manufacturer, so that means that customers will come to us and they're going to hire us to build a particular product for them. It could be something that's involved in the earth moving business, whether it's in the crane business, whether it's in energy production, oil and gas refinery. And we've even built stuff for the aerospace industry as well. We work on stuff that you'll see all the time, but also there's opportunities that you'll only work on something that you see once in a lifetime. So it's something that's very unique, something that's very different, something that you may never ever see again.
Some of the stuff that we've done here at Weldall is for the SLS space program. We had a large job building the tooling that's testing the rocket that'll actually send men to Mars at some point. We've done equipment for harvesting salt and salt flats in Russia, large weldments going over there. We've done prototype jobs, one-of-a-kind jobs for the mining industry, parts that have weighed 280,000 pounds. We built them and picked them here. These parts are going around the world.
Very diverse company in multiple different areas. We have multiple different certifications, ISO, CWV, ASME, AWS. So we are broadening our horizons quite well to be able to sustain change in the way that this country is moving.
We've added employees. We continue to develop them and bring in employees that have experience that can help us grow as a company as we take on new opportunities. And so I think professional growth is certainly important. We want to be able to offer that to new employees. We know to become an employer of choice. Those things are important to why someone chooses to come and work at Weldall.
There's always an opportunity for continued career growth. It's a matter of how dedicated you are to doing it and making it a point to make it known where you would like to go with the company.
Well, Weldall is a place where you can support your family because they're gonna give you a great base pay, not a lower pay rate where you got to do other things on the side. This company right here is going to make sure that you're comfortable and to make sure that you're going to grow to make more to help your family.
Weldall is, I think, uniquely positioned because of the size of what we do and the projects that we've taken on to offer a great place to have a career at. And it can go, there's lots of different careers within even manufacturing. So we certainly always need welders and machinists. But management, office staff, engineering, just as critical, just as important. And I think with a company like Weldall, you get the opportunity to really see a lot of different product, a lot of different customers, a lot of different challenges that will help you grow as in your profession and whatever you want to do.